The Leap Camp, actually the Leap Camp in March and also the same in Paris were awesome. All my team tell the same thing, so that was very good. So I want to talk about revolutionizing machine condition monitoring with AIoT solutions. Just a quick thing, so we are Integral System, I'm the CEO of Integral System, Vincent Gache, and we are doing industrial computing hardware and software development since 2003. And if you didn't understood yet with my accent, we are a French company. So let's deep dive. What happens if a motor in the production line fails? You have many options, but in the reality, everything can happen. You can have a shutdown of your production line, equipment destruction, quality loss, and even money loss. And how much money are we talking about? The average cost of 1 hour downtime in the world, in a factory, is 200K. That's huge money. We are talking about huge money loss. So, as smart human being, when we have this kind of problem, we are trying to solve it. So we tried, and we invented machine condition monitoring. So I asked ChatGPT again, what is machine condition monitoring? So he said this, it's a perfect phrase, but basically you are just measuring and analyzing what's the health of a machine. And machine conditioning have several steps, 6 steps. You have traditional monitoring, what everyone is doing right now, and modern monitoring. You are starting with reactive maintenance. Reactive maintenance is basically fix it when it's broken, easy. You have preventive maintenance, you schedule the maintenance. You have condition-based monitoring. You can do it with sensor, you put sensor on your machine, send data, analyze, put threshold, get alarms, simple. After that, you have predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance, it's to know when the machine will break. Prognostic health management, it's to know what is broken or what will break in the machine. And the last steps, the ultimate step is prescriptive maintenance, which is basically how to avoid those machines to fail and to improve performance of your production line. So basically, the whole world is doing traditional monitoring, and there is nothing wrong with traditional monitoring, but, oh my God, that's a big but. The thing is, even if you monitor your machine, you are still fixing the machine when it's broken. That's an issue. Your production line is still stopped. We just talked about data overloading. That's a huge issue. That's very difficult to fix it. And I want to talk especially about the skill dependency. If you have many people in your factory, in-house, who are in charge of your machine maintenance, because you have many different machines, you can do the fix when it's broken. But it costs you a lot of money, because labor costs a lot of money. So if you can avoid that and just call your SI before saying, oh, I have an alarm, can you go it in the next few days because we need to fix it before it breaks, it's better. So we have a lot of other buts. So also, again, as a smart human being, we said we can't go in the same way, and we invented AIoT. So basically, because no one said what is really AIoT right now. AIoT is the contraction of artificial intelligence and IoT. IoT is smart data collection. We all do this right now. And this artificial intelligence is just doing smart analytical power. That's very important because with this, you can do those 3 things to avoid downtime. So you can do advanced data analysis. With AI, you can analyze huge amount of data. And because they can have the big picture of your data, which is very difficult when you have a large amount of data, you can also have pattern recognition. What is it? It's basically, I want to detect all the anomaly, remove all the noise of my data, and detect what is normal behavior. And the last step is predictive analytics. So I will avoid all the mathematics. I can talk about that with you later if you want, but with regression model, you can predict what's gonna be the future of your future health of your motor. And it can do, of course, a lot more, like self-learning with generative AI and blah, blah, blah. So we are doing this for many benefits. Of course, cost saving, efficiency, also extending machine life. If you avoid the machine to be broken, that's better. You also have a better machine life. Improve safety, that's important. You improve safety of your machine, of your motor, of your production line, and of your workers. And finally, of course, decision making. It's more easy to know if you are sure about the stability of your production line, you can make better decisions. Of course, if there are challenges, if there are benefits, you have challenges. 3 challenges. The first one is data security and privacy. That's basically what we are facing putting IoT on the fields. You also have integration with legacy systems. That's very difficult, how to make it smart enough to communicate with all your systems installed in the factory, and also the implementation cost. Because, don't get me wrong, AI costs a lot of money to implement, that's sure, and the more costly are the people inventing models and the training time. So that's why right now, a lot of companies are working on pre-trained model, and I think that's a right way to do. That's why I want to talk to iFactory PHM. That's an advantech solution for rotating machine health monitoring, which is kind of fixing those 3 challenges. We are talking of very simple solution. You put WISE 2410, we just saw that on the previous presentation, which communicates securely with LoRaWAN to the WISE 6610, which is an advantech gateway also. And those data, you can send them in your legacy system, in your PLC, and on-premise and in a SaaS solution to the AI model, pre-trained AI model. And then you have a very simple solution which can predict at 7 days if the machine will broke or not. That's very important. And that's something we presented during the SIDO 1 month ago. And if you need more information about PHM, you can go to our booth, and you have Redwan here, who can answer all your technical questions. And that's it for me. Thank you.
The smart manufacturing landscape has witnessed swift evolution, driven by the power of AI, generative AI, big data analytics, digital twin technology, and harmonious collaboration between humans and robots. This synergy is propelling the manufacturing sector through a profound automation transformation, fundamentally revolutionizing production efficiency and steering the industry's evolution. Advantech Smart Factory offers a range of services targeting various aspects, including real-time operation management with edge computing devices for production optimization, predictive maintenance to provide machine health conditions, and AI-based prognostics for decision-making. Vision AI enhances quality control and testing. Intelligent warehouse automation ensures efficient inventory management. Connected safety with environmental health and safety (EHS) initiatives, and a central command center that provides AI-based manufacturing insights for comprehensive process enhancement through the powerful fusion of Azure OpenAI, Advantech WISE IoT platform, and EdgeSync 360 Edge Management Service. Advantech Smart Factory stands at the forefront of co-creation with ecosystem partners to drive the rapid AI-powered digital transformation of the manufacturing industry. Advantech Intelligent Factory Solutions have ushered in a paradigm shift, moving from the automation era of Industry 3.0 to the digitalization era of Industry 4.0. Our state-of-the-art cloud edge device solutions seamlessly incorporate artificial intelligence and business intelligence, fostering collaborative efforts between humans and robots. This integration empowers agile decision-making and expedites digital transformation across diverse applications in the smart manufacturing sector. Through our close collaboration with domain partners within the Advantech industrial ecosystem, we envision a bright and promising future for Industry 5.0. Driving excellence with AI-powered advantech intelligent factory.
One of our partners I want to highlight in France, Integral System, they decided to sell our software additional to their hardware in the French territory, because the French market has few big accounts, and then they have millions of micro companies. And these micro companies, they will not work with big giants to implement IoT platforms. They will work with companies like advantech, who are covering the middle and the lower segment of the industrial IoT applications. And the benefit with the hardware and all the knowledge and the integration under one umbrella is helping partners like Integral System to convince end users. And they decided to add this function to their portfolio to create more value add additional to the hardware selling. And it's an example that someone needs to take the first step. Europe is very difficult, America is very difficult, Japan. Those are very advanced territories. They will wait till it has been proven that the solution is successful. This first step will help us to show the market that our WISE IoT environment is stable, our app-based automation strategy is paying off, and we were able to create a next growth engine over the next 3 to 5 years.